animals world. Today we are going to meet some amazing farm animals and their young ones. Get ready to say hello to them. Let's explore some farm together. Let's go! Welcome to Happy Farmland, where all the animals live with their cute families. Are you ready to meet the mommy, daddy and baby animals? Cat house. This is the kennel for the dog. This is the hen coop. This is the stable for the horse. This is the little farm's pond. Hen family. This is the mommy hen. Cluck cluck, mommy hen. This is the daddy rooster. Cluck cluck, daddy rooster. Baby chick, cheep cheep. This is the chick. Cat family. Meow meow. Mommy cat. Meow. Daddy Tom. Meow. Baby kitten. Meow meow. Shh. The cat family is taking a cozy nap in the hay. Mommy cat purrs. Daddy Tom stretches and baby kitten chases a little straw. This is the baby kitten. Dog family. Woof woof. Mommy dog. Woof. Daddy dog. Woof woof. Baby puppy. Yip yip. The dog family loves to play fetch. Mommy guards the farm. Daddy runs around happily. And the pup rolls on the ground saying, yip yip. Look at my tricks. Horse family. Neigh neigh. Mommy mare. Neigh. Daddy stallion. Neigh neigh. Baby foal. Tiny neigh. Here gallops the horse family. Mommy mare is strong. Daddy stallion runs super fast. And baby foal tries to copy them with cute little hops. Look at me. I can run too, says the foal. This is the baby foal. This is the daddy goat. Goat family. Me. Mommy goat. Me. Daddy billy goat. Me. Baby kid. Meep. Meep meep. Climbing rocks. Jumping high, that's the goat family. Baby kid,
is the bounciest one on the farm, hopping like a popcorn kernel, going pop pop. Cow family, moo moo. Mommy cow, moo. Daddy bull, moo. Baby calf, moo moo. Time to say hello to the cow family. Mommy cow gives tasty milk. Daddy bull stands big and strong. And baby calf wiggles its tail and goes, moo moo, look at me jump. Sheep family, ba ba. Mommy ewe, ba. Daddy ram, ba. Baby lamb, ba ba. Here comes the fluffiest family. Mommy ewe and Daddy ram have curly wool, but baby lamb's wool is the softest cloud ever. Baba, hug me. Duck family, quack quack. Mommy duck, quack quack. Daddy drake, quack. Baby duckling, peep peep. Splash splash. Here are the ducks swimming in the pond. Mommy duck teaches floating. Daddy drake shows paddling. And the baby ducklings follow in a line like this. Quack quack, peep peep, peep peep. This is the baby duckling. Goose family. Honk honk. Mommy goose. Honk. Daddy gander. Honk honk. Baby gooseling. Beep beep. Watch out for the goose family. Daddy makes the loudest honk. Mommy keeps everyone close. And baby gosling waddles around like a fluffy cotton ball. This is the baby gosling. Wow, what a fun day meeting all the farm families. Which animal family did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye. See you next time in more happy videos.